Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving data and authentication. Back up your iPhone now to iCloud or an encrypted computer backup so Face ID settings remain restorable. Once backed up, verify the replacement screen is OEM or Apple authorized. This matters because the true depth hardware and secure pairing must match. Make sure the phone is powered off and remove the SIM. Also note the model and serial for the technician. These first steps protect your Face ID credentials and let you proceed without losing trust data. While the screen is replaced, insist the true depth sensor assembly, the front camera, dot projector, flood illuminator, is transferred intact from the old screen to the new one. Once done, make sure an Apple-authorized technician preserves the original sensor board pairing to the logic board. That pairing is what keeps Face ID working. If a full OEM screen is used, request calibration and diagnostics. The technician should run Face ID hardware checks. These mid-process choices determine whether you keep Face ID. After reassembly, power up and run the Face ID setup or test existing profiles. Try several unlocks and an app authentication to confirm operation. If Face ID fails, first reboot and attempt a reset of Face ID in settings, then restore from the backup you made earlier. If problems persist, contact Apple support or return to an authorized service. They can diagnose hardware pairing or sensor issues. One key tip: do not attempt invasive sensor repairs yourself. Improper handling can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.